The question says which of the following Lewis structure does not contribute in the resonance. These are the resonating structure we have, and we have to determine which resonating structure is not correct. And always keep in mind resonating structure, your resonance is possible in a conjugated system. And how we identify conjugate system? Pay attention carefully. If we have double bond, single bond, and then we have positive charge, it is considered as a conjugated system. Double bond, single bond, yeah, positive charge. If we have double bond, single bond, and negative charge, this is also considered as a conjugated system. Okay, in case if you have double bond, single bond, then double bond, it is also considered as conjugated system. And then if we have double bond, then single bond, and then lone pair is there, it is also considered as conjugated system. So these are the four cases. First case, second case, and third case. This is the fourth case are there. Okay, so if this situation is there, we can identify conjugated system is there, then resonance will be possible. But in case if we have double bond, and immediately positive charge is there, negative charge is there, or we have the lone pair is there. So in this case, there is no resonance. Always keep in mind this is highly destabilized system, highly unstable, and keep in mind resonance in general directly proportional to stability. Higher the resonance, higher is the stability. We have higher the resonance, higher is the stability, and this system is highly unstable. After the double bond, immediately positive, negative, or lone pair is coming, this system, that system will be highly unstable. Pay attention carefully. We have double bond, single bond, negative charge is there. Double bond, single bond, negative charge. Conjugated system, double bond, single bond, negative charge. Conjugated system, it is having resonance. Second part is there, you can see double bond is there and immediately positive charge is coming. Highly unstable. It is not a conjugated system. It is not considered as a conjugated system. Double bond, immediately positive or negative or lone pair is there. It is not a part of resonance because it is not considered as conjugated system. It is highly unstable. Okay, and keep in mind because of the resonance, stability increases and it has highly instability. So it does not represent the resonating structure. In this case, double bond, single bond, negative charge, resonance is there. In this case, double bond, single bond, negative charge, resonance is there. Here we have resonance, here we have resonance, here we have resonance, but in this case there is no resonance. Then we can say option B is correct. We have option B is correct in this case. This structure does not contribute in resonance. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.